guys. All right. So if you look at any court politics, the faction that triumphs is the one that's able to solve three problems. Okay? Three problems. These three problems are secrecy, trust, and coordination. Remember, in theory, everyone has to obey the bureaucracy, right? But if you just play by the rules of the game, you're going to lose. So what you want to do is you want to cheat in the game. But if you want to cheat in the game, you have to do so secretly, okay? You have to do secretly. But if you do so secretly, that creates a problem of like, how do you trust each other? If you're doing it all in secret, the problem is like, how do you coordinate? How do you move together, right? Because you can't have meetings where you take notes, because if you're discovered, you'll all be executed by the other factions, okay? So historically, the way we resolve this issue is through the idea of secret societies. Okay? So let's figure out how secret societies work. And this is true for China, this is true for the Greeks, this is true for the Aztecs, this is true for everyone, okay? But like there's certain aspects of secret societies. Okay? The first is the idea of secrecy. Okay? How do you do that? Well, you do that through the idea of a hierarchy. Okay? Hierarchy. Or compartmentalization. And so there are different, so within secret societies, there's a hierarchy as well, where only the people at the very top know what's going on. And if you want to join, you're initiated, but you have to put it at the bottom, okay? And slowly, you climb the ladder, okay? And this is to maintain secrecy. Trust. How do you get people to trust each other? Well, you get people to trust each other through the idea of transgression. Okay? So, if we cheat on a test together, we are much more likely to trust each other. Does that make sense? Because if you're caught, you'll all get punished.